All right, thanks for joining me in another video in which I will be reading a short story, specifically one at an A1 level in French, as you can see indicated on the screen. The story is called voyage, épuisant. This is just an exercise in which I'm obviously practicing my spoken French, ideally pronouncing it correctly. Sorry, I got my cat in the background. And also my reading comprehension in the process, just as a means with which to develop further my current level in French, which comprehension has gotten better. Pronunciation I'm working on, as well as my pacing. So we're going to go ahead and you're welcome to join in. I forgot to mention, I'll go ahead and include a link to this particular story as well as all of the others that I am using from, once again, Fabulang, which apparently is in beta. I'll link it in the description of the video below. All right, for now, let's go ahead and get started. Fernand arrive en vacances. Il est très excité. Il veut voir la ville. Il veut faire du shopping, mais il est très fatigué. Il s'endort dans sa chambre d'hôtel. Okay, pronunciation. Okay, Fernand arrive en vacances. So he left on vacation. Il est très excité. He's very excited. Il veut voir la ville. He wants to see the city. Il veut faire du shopping. He wants to go shopping. Mais il est très fatigué. But he's very tired. Il s'endort dans sa chambre d'hôtel. So I think he's going to stay in the hotel, in his hotel room. He falls asleep. Let's listen to how that's pronounced.
Il s'endort dans sa chambre d'hôtel.
Il s'endort dans sa chambre d'hôtel. All right. Fernand se lève et quitte la chambre, mais il n'est pas réveillé. Il est somnambule. So Fernand se lève et quitte la chambre. So he woke up and he left the room. Mais il n'est pas, but he is not, réveillé, il est somnambule. But he's not, like, refreshed, he's sleepy. Oh, he's not awake. Oh, yeah.
Fernand se lève et quitte la chambre, mais il n'est pas réveillé. Il est somnambule.
Somnambule. No. Il descend les escaliers et rentre dans le hall. Ses yeux sont ouverts, mais il dort. C'est comme un rêve. So, il descend les escaliers et entre dans le hall. So he goes down the stairs and through the hallway. Or into the hallway. Ses yeux sont ouverts. His eyes are open, mais il dort. But he's asleep. C'est comme un rêve. It's like a dream. His eyes are open, but he's asleep. It's like a dream. Yeah, okay.
Il descend les escaliers et entre dans le hall. Ses yeux sont ouverts, mais il dort. C'est comme un rêve.
Okay. Passez une bonne journée, dit la femme derrière le bureau. So have a good day, said the woman behind the desk. Good.
Passez une bonne journée, dit la femme derrière le bureau.
Okay, not so bad. Let's keep going. Choux et pommes de terre, dit Fernand. Choux et pommes de terre, dit Fernand. Les gens disent des choses étrangères quand ils rêvent. Choux et pommes de terre, something, and pomme de terre is literally apple of the earth, so that's potatoes. Dit Fernand, said Fernand. Les gens disent des choses étrangères quand ils rêvent. So people make strange decisions when they're dreaming. Cabbage and potatoes. People say strange. Yeah, okay.
Choux et pommes de terre, dit Fernand. Les gens disent des choses étranges quand ils rêvent.
Okay. Oops. All right. Fernand sort. C'est une belle journée ensoleillée. Il entre dans un glacier. Fernand sort. So Fernand left, sortir. C'est une belle journée ensoleillée. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful sunny day. Il entre dans un glacier. He enters. Is it an ice cream shop? A glacier. He enters a glacier.
Fernand sort. C'est une belle journée ensoleillée. Il entre dans un glacier.
So much flickering from the lights above me. Sorry, I apologize. I just replaced the dimmer switch and it's not the correct one. All right. Bonjour, monsieur, dit le vendeur. Quelle glace aimerez-vous? I'm pretty sure this is an ice cream shop. Bonjour, monsieur, dit le vendeur. Hello, sir, said the vendor. Quelle glace aimerez-vous? Which ice cream do you like? He's asking in a formal way. Yeah, okay.
Bonjour, monsieur, dit le vendeur. Quelle glace aimeriez-vous?
All right. Choux et pomme de terre, dit Fernand. Okay. So he's going to have cabbage and potato ice cream. Je suis désolé, monsieur, nous avons pas ce parfum. Essayez celle-ci, c'est au chocolat. Je suis désolé. I'm sorry, monsieur, sir. Nous avons pas ce parfum. We do not have this, I'm assuming, choice? Parfum? This scent. Oh, flavor. Okay. Essayez celle-ci. Try this. C'est au chocolat. It is chocolate.
Je suis désolé, monsieur. Nous n'avons pas ce parfum. Essayez celle-ci. C'est au chocolat.
Fernand prend le glace. Combien? Demandait lentement Fernand. So Fernand prend le glace. So he grabs or takes, in this case, the ice cream. Combien? How much? Demandait lentement Fernand. Asked Fernand slowly? Or he slowly asked? Yeah.
Fernand prend la glace. Combien? Demande lentement Fernand.
Okay. All right. 5, dit le vendeur. 5, said the vendor. 5, dit lentement Fernand. 5, said Fernand slowly. Again, I apologize for the flickering of these lights. That dimmer switch should not have gone cheap. All right. Fernand donne son portefeuille au vendeur. Le vendeur prend l'argent du portefeuille et le rend. Fernand donnait son portefeuille au vendeur. So he gave him his wallet. So Fernand gave the wallet to the vendor. Le vendeur prend l'argent. The vendor grabbed or took the money du portefeuille et le rend. Took money from the wallet and then returned it. All right, let's make sure I get that correctly. Yep.
Fernand donne son portefeuille au vendeur. Le vendeur prend l'argent du portefeuille et le rend.
Okay, we're doing okay. Comprehension's okay. Definitely have more work to do. All right. Fernand mange sa glace pendant qu'il marche. Puis il voit une boutique de souvenirs. Il y entre. Il choisit un joli souvenir. So Fernand mange sa glace pendant qu'il marche. So Fernand ate his ice cream while he walked. Puis il voit une boutique de souvenirs. Then he saw une boutique de souvenirs, like a souvenir shop. Il y entre, and he entered. Il choisit un joli souvenir. He chose a pretty souvenir. Let's see if I get that. Yeah, good for me.
Fernand mange sa glace pendant qu'il marche. Puis, il voit une boutique de souvenirs. Il y entre. Il choisit un joli souvenir.
Okay. Combien? Dit lentement Ferdinand. How much? Asked Ferdinand slowly. 50, dit le commerçant. Commerçant. So it's 50, said the shopkeeper. 5, dit Ferdinand. 5, said Ferdinand. Non, c'est 50, dit le commerçant. No, it's 50, said the shop owner. 5, dit Ferdinand. So 5, said Ferdinand. D'accord, 30, dit le commerçant. So it looks like he was bartering without knowing it. All right, so now he said, okay, 30. D'accord, 30. So 30. Dit le commerçant. I'm going to get that. 5. 5. D'accord, dit le commerçant. Okay, said the shopkeeper. Vous, les touristes, vous devenez de plus en plus malins. You, les touristes, tourists, vous devenez de plus en plus malin. You are bringing more and more trouble? Devenez? You are more and more trouble to like deal with. You tourists are getting smarter in this case.
D'accord, dit le commerçant. Vous, les touristes, vous devenez de plus en plus malins.
Okay. Okay. All right. Quelques heures plus tard, Fernand se réveille. Il est dans sa chambre d'hôtel. Il sourit. Maintenant, je peux faire du shopping, pense Fernand. Je dois acheter un souvenir. Ils sont très bons marchés ici. Ok. Quelques heures plus tard, some hours later, Fernand se réveille. So, Ferdinand woke up or had a dream? Wakes up. No, okay. Il est dans sa chambre d'hôtel. He had a dream, so he was inside his hotel room. Il sourit. He smiled. Please. Yes. All right. Maintenant, je peux faire du shopping. Right now, I can do the shopping. Yeah. Pense Ferdinand. Je pense. I thought Ferdinand? Thanks, yep. Je dois acheter un souvenir. I must buy a souvenir. Ils sont très bons marches ici. They are very cheap here. Yep, all right. Ferdinand se lève du lit. Il est surpris. Sa chambre est pleine du sac de shopping. Il y a tellement de sacs de shopping qu'il ne peut pas bouger. Il regarde dans son portefeuille. Il est vide. All right. So Ferdinand se lève du lit. So he got out of his bed. Il est surpris. He was surprised. Sa chambre est pleine de sacs de shopping. His room is full of shopping bags. Il y a tellement de sacs de shopping qu'il ne peut pas bouger. So he tellement. Really, there's really a lot of bags of shopping, but he did not move. Il y a tellement de sacs de shopping. There's so many shopping bags, but he can't move. Il regarde dans son portefeuille. Il est vide. So he looked inside his wallet, and it was empty. Okay.
Fernand se lève du lit. Il est surpris. Sa chambre est pleine de sacs de shopping. Il y a tellement de sacs de shopping qu'il ne peut pas bouger. Il regarde dans son portefeuille. Il est vide.
Il y a un mot sur il y a un mot sur la table. C'est écrit: nous avons acheté toutes les choses que vous avez demandées. Il vient du personnel d'hôtel. So il y a un mot sur la table. There's a note on the table. Although I think un mot means a word. C'est écrit. It was written. Nous avons acheté toutes les choses que vous avez demandé. We bought the things that you asked for. Il vient du personnel du hotel. It came from the hotel staff. Okay. All right.
Il y a un mot sur la table. C'est écrit. Nous avons acheté toutes les choses que vous avez demandées. Il vient du personnel de l'hôtel.
Ferdinand regarde dans le sac du shopping. Ils sont tous remplis de choux et de pommes de terre. All right, so he looked inside the shopping bags, and they were all full of cabbage and potatoes. He's Irish. Yeah. Okay. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and link this story from Fabulang, which is available for free. You don't need a subscription or an account, as well as the title in the description of this video, and all the videos moving forward. I'll be sure to link the resources, because perhaps you would be interested in using them, and perhaps they can aid you in your progression or practice in some cases with the French language. All right. Thank you for joining me. I know that was a rough one. I will, again, be working on my pacing, although I guess that requires a separate type of practice. But all right. Have a good evening. Thank you.